Right, hello and welcome to this episode of Lowdown Garage. Now, you join me in the OG Lowdown Garage with the 2ZZ swapped MR2. Now, you might be wondering, what's this doing in my garage? Well, I made a deal with the original owner, Luke, and sort of swapped him a car for this. So, you know, it's on my wheels and it's not looking too bad, but it could do have been a bit lower. We've got a way to go with it because it's a bit lumpy at the moment, likes to bum you, and we're missing on the spare wheel as well. That's also needs to go back in because it's actually so heavy. It's almost like a counterweight, because when you get past some crazy speeds in Mexico, it seems to start taking off at the front end, which is quite scary. And we might, if I get a chance, have a look at the idling situation. We've got the parts we think we need, and the exhaust as well. It's so loud it rattles your brain. So I've got the one that I made for the black MR2. If you don't remember the black MR2, make sure to take a look at that. Let's crack on. Reason why the spare wheel's not in, needs drilling out, so let's get to some drilling. Here's the problem. I don't have my torch, that's the problem. Oh dear. There's the culprit. That's just not going to be fun. Anyway. No, I think we kind of might have some threads, but I actually have no idea. Right, we've got some good news. Check this bolt. Look at this. A little bit. Nah. Look at that. Straight in. Let's get the frunk in and might have to find a longer bolt than that. Needs another washer. There we go. There you go. That ain't going nowhere. Right, there it is. I'm really happy with that. And the lens is dirty. There we go. I'm really happy with that, to be honest. I mean, that is how it should look under there. Obviously you go in here. I think you go like that. Up like that. And then you've got spare wheel in there. So that is a really good do. Because now I've got the weight in the front that I need. Obviously I need a few plastic clips, but I can get those somewhere at some point. So for now, that is back to how it should be. And now I've finally got a little bit more storage space. There you go. Right, so now I've got that done, it's time to look at the exhaust. Now, we had a lot of palaver with the exhaust on this car. It's way too loud, many other things. There's a lot of metal fatigue going on. We've got the cat section off this car here, and it's got some nice flexes welded in. So that, obviously there and there. We're going to attach that, and it should quieten it down a little bit, I think. I know it's all good and well it being loud, but if you were the one with the headache at the end of the night, when your ears ringing, when you're trying to go to sleep, you'd think otherwise. So let's get it up in the air and see if we can get these bolts out. Might be 14, could be 13, I don't know. If these snap, I'll cry. I will. Ooh. 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 Alright, come on, third time. Oh yeah. We're happy with that. Right, let's get these two now. That's definitely in the off setting. That is tiring. Yeah. Smoking. I don't know if we just snapped something. I heard a bad noise. Anyway, join me down here now. I'm laying in a puddle. That stud, way too short. That's bad. Whoa! I don't know what's going on. Stuff is happening. Oi! Yay! There it is, that is the exhaust fit up. Needs a bit of perfecting. I need some heat on that to bend it because that one's quite far in, that one's quite far out. But there's the cat, all in. So that's not half bad, that. So I'm just hoping it sounds good. So wait for exhaust paste to dry, take it from there. Time for some filing, then we'll listen to the car. Right, here we go. This is going to be the first start with the new exhaust. So let's see how it sounds. I'll give you the back angle. Not bad, that might be a lot more tame. Hopefully I'm not deaf. You join me in the OG Lowdown Garage once again, and we're going to lower the MR2. Now obviously we lowered it, we put it on BC coilovers in a few videos back, but we're obviously perfecting it now because it's actually my car now. So here it is at the moment. Now obviously, as we can see, this wheel gap is absolutely unacceptable. Bad. And so is this. So we're going to bring it in and make it a little bit better. Now in previous times I've done the throttle body and I've done a lambda sensor on it, and it seemed to fix the engine a little bit. It's not the best, but let's bring it into the garage, wind the coilovers down and hope for the best. Also, further improvements are the little pocket here, that's out of a Polo, and then the radio looking a little bit better, I think. So let's get it started up. Mr. 2. Wow. Blooming heck. Right, that's not the best. Let's hope that that is going to be enough, because that's not a lot. They're not extreme lows, these. Smart. Into the stance drawer. Many coilover spanners. Don't know what half of them are for. Right, that's the size for that. Let's see what we can do. Oh. Jeez! Right, so that's all the way up. Get this. Lock it off. There we go. That's in. Right, that's one corner lowered. I'm going to have a little mess with this roll bar link now. I'll do that off camera because it's really boring.
For this state availability, 18+ will not own the car. Financial services. Tailoring.
And for less than you think, at cartridgepeople.com for unbeatable prices.
Next wheel.
With 7 years running, Optimus Energy, outstanding customer service at fair prices.
Pussy. Alright, it's a little more acceptable. I mean, it could be worse. Right, now I've just got to bring the front down. Food time, and then I'm going to bring the front down. I think that's my plan. I'm hungry. Civic. You want a Civic update? Let us know in the comments. I haven't forgotten about it. I just haven't had a chance. But I'll do it this year, I promise. Right, time to do last dead fitment corner. I'll spare you the misery. Let's go from dead fitment. Not bad. I'd prefer it to be a bit lower, to be honest, but it is what it is for now. So let's pull her out, admire her, and you know, we might even wash her. So that's not too bad. Definitely too high at the front. I even wound the collars up for everything, and it's, yeah. We'll see if it settles. I don't know, might have to do something about it in future, but for now it is what it is. I don't think it's too bad, but I mean, it's alright. It needs to be a touch lower on front, really, but we'll see how it settles in anyway. I don't know. Wash time. Jobs are good, in. Well, it's not, because I haven't done the wheels yet. But I think this is where we end. So, on that note, you know, if you want to see me do more to the MR2, like maybe perfect the fitment like I want, then let us know in the comments. And if you think that, you know, there's other things we could do to it or whatever, then let us know. Obviously we did the exhaust, we've lowered it a bit more, so it's really coming along now. It is properly feeling like my car a little bit more. So if you've liked this video, then make sure to leave a comment, make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you next time.